So आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं हार्ली डेविडसन पैन अमेरिका, द फर्स्ट रिव्यू इन द कंट्री एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी सुपर एक्साइटिंग. आई एम super kicked about it and I'm going to be riding the bike in exactly 5 minutes. See you then.
Will switch?
Yeah, I know.
Wait for the time to come.
हाँ.
Stand it. Right in sport, you'll understand the speed of it.
डायरेक्टली स्पोर्ट पे डाल रहे क्या? डायरेक्टली स्पोर्ट. Pretty amazing. तो हम तो अंदर ही चला रहे हैं, बाहर नहीं चलाने वाले हैं. Wow, off the bat, pretty amazing feeling. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. What a feeling, what a feeling. Brilliant, yeah. 150 bhp का जो बाइक है, दिस इज़ एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. ये स्पोर्ट मोड पे भी चला रहा हूँ मैं. इट इज़ सो कूल. ये इंडिया में बेसिकली पहला रिव्यू है जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, किसी ने और ने किया नहीं है. ये मुझे मौका मिला है करने का. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई फील वेरी प्रिविलेज टू डू इट. बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. जो गाड़ी का जो फीचर्स है, जो एडिशनल डिटेल चाहिए, वो हार्ली डेविडसन के वेबसाइट में आपको मिल जाएगा. सो मेरे लिए दिस इज़ बेसिकली a bike which is I'm getting into a new segment and I'm really excited about it. Fat Boy के बाद this becomes a nice space to sort of explore. मुझे ऑफ-रोडिंग का मुझे काफ़ी कीड़ा लगा है. So मैडम, the best way to enjoy adventure bike is to stand and ride it, जैसे मेरे दोस्त स्नेहल करता है हमेशा. Shout out to Snehal and his BMW GS for inspiring me to do stuff like this. Otherwise guys, the suspensions are fabulous. I can't believe Harley Davidson के suspensions इतने अच्छे हैं. It's a 21-liter tank. Like I said, 150 bhp, crazy power. Feels amazing. The 6.8 TFT display is fabulous. I think riding height is thoda high है, but I'm 6 feet tall, so it is not so bad. I can reach और बाइक इज एक्चुअली क्वाइट लाइट, 250, आई थिंक अराउंड 250 kilos का बाइक है. इट इज एक्चुअली क्वाइट लाइट एंड आई एम रियली लाइकिंग द फील ऑफ दिस बाइक. दिस इज़ बेसिकली द स्पेशल मॉडल. इसमें एक रेगुलर पैन एम आता है और एक स्पेशल आता है. स्पेशल में आपको अडेप्टिव राइड हाइट मिलता है जो बेसिकली एडजस्ट करता है अपने आप को. द बाइक एडजस्ट, अगर गाड़ी रोकने जा रहे हो the bike automatically lowers the suspension so that it's easier to keep the feet down. इसमें adaptive headlights भी है, so आप turn करोगे left right तो जो blind spots है उसको illuminate करता है. So the special has these basic features. You get a few other perks like the engine guard and all that, but ज़्यादा करके जो special और regular Pan Am है, it's pretty much the same engine wise. आप देखे होते Revolution Max engine ही है, 1250cc का जो V twin engine, वही same engine है, nothing different. I love the TFT display, all the information there. थोड़ा सा एक जो शायद काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद ना आए is the fact that जो इसका font है, जो साइड में जो fonts जो स्कैटर हुए हैं वो बेसिकली बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है, तो वो शायद लोगों को ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया because it's a little too small to read. The braking is brilliant. Brembo brakes है, Showa suspension है. It is absolutely mind blowing. I actually love the bike so much कि I don't know what to tell. I have no words to describe it. I'm so pleased with it. In fact, इतना short ride करने के बाद मुझे लग रहा है और था एक round, मारना चाहिए. ऐसा लग रहा है कि no, this is not enough. I need more. ये दिल मांगे more. Stock exhaust का जो feel है is actually not bad nowadays because of the noise regulation जो government introduce किया. I'm not very happy with the sound, but this bike has an amazing sound. The stock has it's quite a good song. Although I'm not a fan of how the stock looks, but I like the sound of it. I'm actually quite happy with the sound of it. And guys, मुझे comments पे बोलना how the bike looks on me. I really need to know if this should be my next buy. I am very excited about this bike. मैं finally bike को चलाने का मौका मिला. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है इसके बारे में. Oops. Bus. That was the Harley Davidson Pan Am and beautiful bike. You've seen it first on my channel, Average Nick. Guys, how do you like the bike?
Super sexy.
like
It's
it?
damn cool. I loved it. It was too huge. I think it's really for tall people.
But then there was a guy who जो मेरे पहले जो वहाँ खड़ा था एक आदमी who was around I think easily 5'2" or something, and he actually owned the Pan Am, so he got on the bike quite easily. I don't think it's such a huge problem because इसमें adaptive ride height का option होता है, but otherwise it's I mean for me it was not an issue at all. I felt आपने मेरा
Very sturdy.
Yeah, you saw my review of how I was riding the bike. I was standing up pretty much. मैं खड़े रह के चला रहा था bike, and it was as easy as any other bike. I think like any other bike. But yeah, what do you think about the looks of the bike?
I loved it. I love the black colors. I think that's damn cool and sexy.
The black color.
Yeah, I love that one.
I like the grey one. I just felt it has that little tint of that military green when you ride.
There is actually a military green color also. Actually, Harley Davidson के कुछ 5 colors है, and military green is one of them. It's called a dark camo or something, and it's available in there, and it looks pretty nice actually. It looks very nice. So you should check it out. In fact, I think the dark camo one जो launch पे जो मैंने video बनाया था, I think it was a dark camo. I can't remember. I think dark camo or grey, I can't remember. But anyway, that was my review of the bike. It was a beautiful bike, totally recommended, and keep watching this space for more. See
Guys, you should watch this video. Nikhil has come all the way from Mumbai to Pune just to shoot. You should
Assist किया है.
subscribe to his channel.
Yes, and
Please
like the
subscribe.
video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. It is the first review of the Pan Am in this country, so it's quite
There's
special.
a mall attached over here, guys. So yeah, if you're bored when the guy is reviewing the bike, you can actually go and shop as well. So yeah.
Great bike once again. Loved it. Very soon, I think I'm going to be owning this bike. At least I think so. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and keep watching my
Video
videos.
बंद करिए, helmet पकड़ ले.